أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
كيف يكون للمشركين عهد عند الله وعند رسوله إلا الذين عاهدتم عند المسجد الحرام فما استقاموا لكم فاستقيموا لهم إن الله يحب المتقين.
How can there be a treaty with the polytheists on the part of Allah and His Messenger, except for those with whom you made a treaty at the sacred mosque? As long as they are upright with you, be upright with them. Allah loves the pious.
كيف وإن يظهروا عليكم لا يرقبوا فيكم إلا ولا ذمة يرضونكم بأفواههم وتأبى قلوبهم وأكثرهم فاسقون.
How? Whenever they overcome you, they respect neither kinship nor treaty with you. They satisfy you with lip service, but their hearts refuse, and most of them are immoral.
اشتروا بآيات الله ثمنا قليلا فصدوا عن سبيله إنهم ساء ما كانوا يعملون.
They traded away Allah's revelations for a cheap price, so they barred others from His path. How evil is what they did.
لا يرقبون في مؤمن إلا ولا ذمة وأولئك هم المعتدون.
Towards a believer they respect neither kinship nor treaty. These are the transgressors.
فإن تابوا وأقاموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة فإخوانكم في الدين ونفصل الآيات لقوم يعلمون.
But if they repent, and perform the prayers, and give the obligatory charity, then they are your brethren in faith. We detail the revelations for a people who know.
وَإِن نَكَثُوا أَيْمَانَهُمْ مِنْ بَعْدِ عَهْدِهِمْ وَطَعَنُوا فِي دِينِكُمْ فَقَاتِلُوا أَئِمَّةَ الْكُفْرِ إِنَّهُمْ لَا أَيْمَانَ لَهُمْ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَنْتَهُونَ.
But if they violate their oaths after their pledge, and attack your religion, then fight the leaders of disbelief. They have no faith, so that they may desist.